Char-broil from Lowe's, 3 burner. That burner went out. It's got a 5-year warranty. These two kind of like are going. Might as well change it all. But before I do it, I would be a little careful. You may never know what's underneath those caps. Well, what I'm going to do is just change everything. And it's not so hard. So as you can see, the flame is nice and high. That's what we're changing. I gotta take all my briquettes, which I can no longer get anymore. I'm gonna have to look for online for them. There are coupler pins. Those coupler pins are over here and they just simply pull out. There are little screws here. So this burner should simply come out. Little rust, age, they come right out. If you look at the burner, it kind of looks still good. Over here it shows a little bit of rust. Big holes. We're going to just simply replace them all. On the inside you're going to feel for the actual burner hole. And then you're going to place them on like so. Put the original coupler pin in. It's not a clean job. So you're going to pull out, be careful of the igniter. We're going to simply just grab a tool and see if we could separate the actual igniter. Should just be held on by pressure. Slide out. Put it on the same way it came off. You simply slide this in. You can see what's happening here. As this snaps in, not easy at the beginning. Get one side and then work on the other side, and that's it. It's on there just like that. I do apologize if you couldn't see it, but trust me, just slide one side on and rotate it on. Feel for the hole where my finger's pointing, and then drop the other side in and stick the coupler pin on. Really not that difficult to do. Just a matter of feeling for it. Now's the time just to clean all this up, put everything back. The one thing I don't do is turn my burners off correctly. But at least it was on. They're working beautifully. And that's still kind of a leak or a little oil that's on there. Not worried. So at least I got my things going. And hopefully that's just air coming out. and not additional flames, because that burner is in the off position. And the only way to tell if it's officially off is to turn the gas off and hope we don't got a leak. It's off, and we do got a leak. So let's make sure we continue to get that leak taken care of and see what we can do. That is in the off position. Could have been just a stuck burner. Let's turn the gas back on. Let's ignite the burner. This side would light up if there was a leak. There is no leak. Let's do this side. There's no leak. Shut this side off. Turn this side back on. Turn the opposite side back on. Everything looks good. And shut this off. We are perfect. No more leaks. So that's how you would check for a leak, to turn alternate burners on and off. I want to thank you for following this update of the Char-broil from Lowe's, the Advantage. There is a battery inside here to ignite. You have the 3 burners under a 5-year warranty. And once those burners are gone, you can no longer get them. Then you're going to start to look for a new charcoal broiler. On that note, please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video to follow. Have a great day and enjoy, everybody.